Corporate implosion and institutional collapse in Africa, triggers, signals, and strategic interventions for private African universities. By Israel Kofi Nyarko, Evelyn Esnam Kisidu, and Michael Ahyaga Mawata. This article examines the triggers and early warning signals of failures in African private universities to draw lessons and develop intervention strategies pertinent to them. Corporate implosion, characterized by abrupt organizational collapses and significant financial repercussions, necessitates a thorough understanding of its triggers, signals, and intervention strategies. Corporate implosion results from internal issues functioning as demolition charges, causing the organization to collapse inward. These charges might be deliberately set or stem from systemic problems, misalignment of organizational elements, or lack of timely responses. This chapter employs a literature review and synthesis approach to explore existing research on corporate implosion, focusing on identifying key triggers, early warning signals, and viable rescue mechanisms. The study highlights the critical role of financial mismanagement and leadership failures in precipitating corporate collapses, emphasizing the complex interplay between internal weaknesses and external pressures. In addition to extending its scope, the research investigates the closure of private universities, particularly in Africa. It identifies industry-specific factors contributing to these closures, including market demand, program relevance, financial stability, governmental regulations, economic conditions, demographic shifts, and technological advances. By examining the unique challenges private universities face in Africa, the study provides insights into the vulnerabilities of these institutions. Ultimately, this chapter aims to inform decision-makers and stakeholders in private universities about the multifaceted challenges leading to closures. Recognizing these triggers and signals is crucial for implementing timely and effective interventions, ensuring the stability and sustainability of African private universities. This study encapsulates the essentiality of vigilance, adaptability, and strategic planning in averting corporate implosions. Organizations, particularly private universities, must remain attuned to internal and external signals while embracing proactive interventions. Such foresight, guided by a nuanced understanding of triggers, industry dynamics, and managerial responses, holds the key to sustaining organizational resilience and viability in an ever-evolving landscape. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.